Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use another open source intelligence tool to be able to grab as many details as possible, as much information as possible from a web address. So we're going to be using Spiderfoot today. It's going to be under information gathering and OSINT analysis. Alright, so once you have this open, type in Spiderfoot, and then we're going to be using the option -U all, so that's going to give us all the information it can find on our target IP address or website address. And then do -S, and we're going to be doing, let's say we do the same one as last time. And see if it gives us any details, any information that we didn't get with the first option that we tried last time. Now again, this is an open source intelligence tool, so it's basically just scouring the web for public information that's out there. So it's not doing any sort of hacking, it's more or less combing the internet to find information about this specific web address. And just let that run its course here. Okay, so we're getting some variations in the web address, some different web address names that it has. Getting some of the DNS server names here. Getting all the source information. So you can see it grabs everything. If you choose the option that we just went over, it grabs everything. Getting the merged telephone number right there, contact number. Other plugins information right here. Street tombs, a bunch of different interesting web addresses there. Events, event names, different pages for their events here. Bunch of different event pages. Source material, back to event pages. Okay, DNS server information. Source material, source codes. HTML, script code, CSS script code, bunch of source material. Then we have, I saw a Facebook page up there, saw some location information up there. Checks whether it's running through a proxy or not, giving me some DNS information. Bunch of source information again. DNS information. Okay, let's see. I was not expecting it to run for this long. Seems like there's quite a bit of information that it's grabbing here. Adam, okay, so there's another thing, another web address. Connected to, there you go, city, state. A bunch of event information, raw source material. That was interesting. Let's see, what else? plugin information. Then we have the text code, a bunch of source information again. The raw SVG code for the images up there. All web information, like raw source code information. Still going. So as you can see, with this tool alone, you could basically collect all the information from a website. A lot of valuable information. All the web addresses, all the DNS addresses, all the plugin information, all the there were phone numbers up there as well for the merch booth, and I don't know, there might have been some phone numbers for something else. The locations, obviously, locations of their businesses. Still going. Still grabbing a whole bunch of information. The events calendar, all the events information. Yeah, it's a lot. That's definitely didn't expect it to run for this long. Alright, just gonna take a quick nap, wait for this to finish. Let's see, path, what's this? Oh yeah, just raw code here for the view boxes on the website. WordPress, okay, so that's just source code, all the source code. And it froze. Looks like my processor is frozen at the moment. Might be overloaded. Let's see. Okay, CPU spiked. Looks like it's going back down. Hopefully it unfreezes here soon. But it was like at 100%, and then it went down to 40-ish. Okay, so this is not responding, so I'm going to cut it off here. But this gives you basically everything that I was going to show you. And that is how to get all the information from a website using Spiderfoot. Catch you in the next video. Bye.